on the outside, okay?
No, my nails are looking. Oh! Y'all don't judge me, okay? Like, don't judge me, please.
Hey my kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Bama Vanna RN, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, come on in. And if you are a returning subscriber, it's great to have you back for another vlog. I'm taking you guys along with me to get my hair braided. I'm gonna be washing my hair, getting my nails filled, all of that good stuff. I think I'm gonna do my lashes or get a facial, one of those, one or the other, okay? So remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. Leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think of this video. No more talking, let's dive into the video. Hey. Actually going to wash my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair, deep condition my hair, and then tomorrow, which is Wednesday, I am going to get my hair braided. I need a break. I need a break for my hair, okay? My nails need to fill, and so I'm gonna get them filled, and then I think on Thursday, probably on Thursday morning, I'm going to get a facial because my skin is just doing so much. It's just doing too much. No more talking. Let's start washing my hair, okay? So now I am going to actually start by washing my hair. So like I said, this is my maintenance vlog. So I'll be getting my hair knotless braids, getting knotless braids. So before getting knotless braids, I will just do like a mini, you know, wash. I show you guys how I wash my hair, and so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Before washing my hair, I'm just gonna like section it off and just detangle it so that it could be a smooth process. Okay, so it's actually the next day. It's Thursday, and today I'll be getting my hair braided. So the last time we spoke, I was washing my hair. I was about to wash my hair. So my hair is something like this bubble ponytail because I'm trying to stretch it. So I use chip and I get my hair braided later on today. So I'll check back in with you guys when I am on my way to get my hair braided. And I have like to make one more stop to Lowe's Pharmacy in the Bahamas, so I probably could take out to Lowe's with me. So let's go.
I think so.
Actually the next day. The last time we spoke would have been after I got my hair braided, I think. Yeah, after I got my hair braided. So I'm actually on my way to get my nails done. This is how my nails are looking. Oh, y'all don't judge me, okay? Like, don't judge me, please. Anyway, yeah, so this is my nails before, and I'll come back with my nails done. Now let's go. Suma appointment. Okay, let's go. Later in the week, and today I'm actually going to get a facial because my face has been a total mess. Like, it's just breaking out so much. But I stopped at Starbucks today.
Hey,
I got a caramel frappuccino. Yo, look at my face. I got a caramel frappuccino. Anyways, so when I reach my appointment, I will check back in with you guys. Of course, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell. And I will see you guys when I reach my appointment. Ow. Oh Lord.
Ready?
Yep. I don't know, between this heat.
Yeah, this is
That's,
different.
yeah, it's a different kind of heat. Yeah. It's just,
I wanted to go downstairs to lift the courage. She got something to drink. I said, give me